Good afternoon, everybody. This is Sherry. I just have a quick project share. I just wanted to share this with you really fast. I haven't been crafting much, and I thought that I needed to start thinking about it and get back into it. I had some life-changing events happen. So now it's time. It's time to get back into my crafting and start enjoying my life the way that I was before. So I made a tag. This tag is just a basic tag. I thought I was going to try to do something a little bit different. However, it turned out to be, I think, really pretty. It lacks a sentiment. I am still looking for one for it, but I will get it there. So I just wanted to share this tag with you. Let's see here. I need to get this to focus really quick. What I did is I made it a really sturdy tag. I cut up like a cereal box and layered it twice. You can hear how sturdy it is. And then I decided that I wanted to figure out what my focus point would be. So then I found this little thing, and this is all Maggy Holms, except for the lace, and that, of course, that's off of eBay. Anyway, I put some Maggy Holms paper behind it and found my focal point, which is this little bear. She's wearing a dress, and of course I covered up her feet with the flower. I put a huge white flower at the bottom. I was trying to be more shaggy chic than contemporary, and I'm not quite sure if this works. It kind of fits in both, I think, in a way, but I put a layer of lace behind her and put her on there, and then I put some lace going down the sides. And then I found this bling stuff that I had bought, and I'm not sure what it's called, but I put it on there on the sides. And then I decided, okay, it needs a flower or something at the bottom. So I dug through my stash and I found this big white flower, and I thought it was really pretty. Let's see if I can get this camera to focus in on it better. There we go. I thought that was really pretty, and it worked. It fit just right. Then I wanted a bow at the top, so I got some ribbon out and I made a little bow. And then I thought this needs to have a hanging element, so I added a hanging element on there. Just because it's a tag, it needs a hanging element. I used the same ribbon that I made the bow out of, but I keep pushing it down behind there because I think it's prettier without that. So anyway, it's there. And like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video and share this project. I hope you like it. Click on subscribe, like, and let's get some views on this one. It's really absolutely awesome. Don't forget to share, and please, again, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.